Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about these new flood endorsements that are starting to come to the state of Tennessee. You know, there's a lot of admitted insurance companies, we're talking about traditional insurance companies now, that are offering flood endorsements in the state of Tennessee. Hey, that is great for property owners in Tennessee, but we're getting a lot of questions about these of, why should I do this endorsement? Why should I do a standalone policy? What should I look for these endorsements? Generally what we're seeing in a lot of these endorsements is if you take a really good look at it, generally they're on areas of flood zone X. They're going to be on your lower risk areas. When you start to take a look at the higher risk areas, you're going to start to see that in many situations, these endorsements are either not being offered or there's some exclusions being put in there. So what about a bank accepting this endorsement if it is in a special flood hazard area? How do you go about that? Now, generally, the bank is going to look for something like a National Flood Insurance Program policy. They're going to look that it's on what's called admitted paper. So with it being an admitted carrier with being an endorsement, they could accept that. Now, if the endorsement somehow was to be not admitted, you need to look for that clause stating that it meets private flood insurance clause. These are things that must mirror the National Flood Insurance Program. So this is an update on some of these flood endorsements that are starting to come out in the state of Tennessee. So if you've got questions about these endorsements, standalone policies, what is your best option? Understanding your flood risk in the state of Tennessee? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risk like this right here and your flood insurance. Thank you.